Yeah, we got a server down. I'll give Service Express a call. I used to hate placing service calls, but with Service Express, the process is just so easy.
Thank you for calling Service Express. This is Michelle.
Hi, this is Seth. We have a server down. I'm gonna have our engineer give me a call.
And what I'm gonna do for you, Seth, is I'm gonna page this out to your primary engineer, and they'll be in contact with you within the next 30 minutes.
Thanks.
Alrighty, have a great day.
Hey, can you help me real quick?
Yeah, I'll be right there. Normally I wouldn't be able to do this, but Service Express is a guaranteed 30-minute callback time, so I know I'm gonna hear from them soon.
Press 2. If you're calling for servers, press 3.
Wow, that was quick.
Hey Seth, Denny, Service Express.
Hey Danny, what's up?
Hey, get your service call on the down production server.
Yeah, yep, that's the one.
I've got your air logs, check those, and I've got the part in my hand, and I'll be over here in a little bit to get you fixed up. That sound good?
Yep, thanks. Service Express is over a 90% first-time fix rate, which has really increased our productivity and decreased our downtime.
Partnering with Service Express means you can put long wait times in phone trees behind you. When you call in, you'll get me or one of my teammates directly. And within 30 minutes, your engineer will give you a call. We make it as easy as possible to get support. Give us a call.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?